Good morning students. Today we will discuss chapter 16, area of a trapezium and a polygon. Page 214. Test your understanding. In this we know that area of rhombus. What is area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. This is rhombus, this is diagonal 1 and this one is diagonal 2, and the area is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. And area of regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means 6-sided figures with equal sides. Now the area of regular hexagon is 6 into area of equilateral triangle. Now area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into side square. 6 into under root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is the area of regular hexagon. Now we will start questions. First question you have to do it by yourself. Now second question, find the length of second diagonal of a rhombus whose area is 12x square y cube centimeter square and diagonal 1 is equal to 3xy centimeter. Now diagonal 1 and area is given, we have to find out the second diagonal. Now diagonal 1 is given, that is 3xy centimeter, and we have to find out diagonal 2. Area is given, area is equal to 12x square y cube. Now we know that what is the area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, half into, put the value of diagonal 1, that is 3xy, into diagonal 2, and area of rhombus is 12x square y cube. Now 12x square y cube multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 upon 3xy is equal to diagonal 2. Now solve it, cut it, it is 4. Now x is cut with this and this is y square. Now answer is 8xy square. Therefore diagonal 2 is 8xy square. Now look at fourth question. The perimeter of a rhombus is 40 centimeter. Now perimeter of rhombus is given, that is equal to 40 centimeter. If the length of one of its diagonal is 12 centimeter, now one diagonal is given, that is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find out what is the area of the rhombus. We have to find out the area of the rhombus. Now in this question, first we have to find out the side of the rhombus. Then we have to find out the diagonal 2 of the rhombus. Diagonal 1 is given, that is 12 centimeter. We have to find out the diagonal 2 of the rhombus. Perimeter is given. Now what is perimeter of rhombus? What is the formula to find out perimeter of rhombus? It is similar to square because all the sides of rhombus are equal. Therefore it is 4 into side. 4 into side. Therefore side of rhombus is equal to 40 upon 4, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Now side of rhombus is equal to 10 centimeter. Now beta, this is a triangle, right angle triangle, because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री पे ये बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. ये क्या बन गया? एक ट्रायंगल बन गया. अब देखो इसमें हम बी ओ फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. हमारे पास बी ओ क्या आ जाएगा? देखो बी ओ क्या आ जाएगा? हाफ ऑफ बी डी. बी डी हमारे पास कितना है? 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? हाफ इंटू 12 विच इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. ये हमारे पास आ गया 6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए ओ. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल AOB, we use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? That hypotenuse square means AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square. Okay, it means tan square is equal to sec square plus AO square. Now this is 100 minus 36 is equal to AO square. Now this one is 64 is equal to AO square. Therefore AO is equal to 8 centimeter. AO is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, diagonal AC is the diagonal. AC is equal to double of AO. It is equal to 2 into 8, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Now diagonal 2 is 16 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area. Area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Now put the values of diagonals. Half into diagonal 1 is 12 centimeter and diagonal 2 is 16 centimeter. Now solve it, cut it, and 12 it's a 96 centimeter square. Now students, we will discuss exercise 16b on page number 216. Second question, first you have to do it by yourself. In these questions, we have given 2 or more polygons. We have to find out the area of these polygons. Now how to find out the area of these polygons? Now look at the second question. The first figure of this question is, this is regular hexagon and this is rectangle. We have to find out the area of this figure. Now how to find out the area of this figure? First we have to find out the area of a regular polygon. First figure, area of figure 1, that is regular hexagon. What is the formula of regular hexagon? As we discussed above, that area of regular hexagon is 6 into under root 3 upon 4 into side square. Now put the values. Side is given, that is equal to 8 centimeter. 6 into under root 3 upon 4 into 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8. Now cut it. Now 12 it's a 96, that is 96 under root 3 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of second figure. Now second figure is what? It is a rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is given, that is 12, and breadth is 4. So area of figure 2, that is rectangle, is equal to length into breadth. Now length is 12 and breadth is 4, which is equal to 12 fours are 48 centimeter square. Now we have to add both the figures. Now area of whole figure is equal to area of first figure plus area of second figure. It is equal to 96 under root 3 plus 48 centimeter square. But there is no need to put the value of under root 3. Write it as it is, 96 under root 3 plus 48 centimeter square. Now look at third question. The figure is given. We have to find out the area of this figure. Now how to find out the area of these figures? How to find out, beta? First we divide it into figures, different figures. Make the line here, construct the line here, construct the line here. Okay. Now 3 figures are formed. First one is rectangle, the second figure is trapezium, and the third one is also rectangle. Now in first figure we know the length and breadth, that is 25 and 6. In the second figure, look at the second figure. This one is the second figure, the small trapezium. Small trapezium is here. Now in this we have to find out the parallel sides. Now how to find out the parallel side? This is 10 meter. This one is also 10 meter. The first parallel side, this parallel side is 10 meter. Now we have to find out this parallel side. Now the whole length of this rectangle is 25. 25 minus 11. 25 minus 11 is equal to 14 meter. And the second parallel side is 14 meter. And now we have to find out the height of trapezium. We have to find the height of trapezium is, now look at this. This one is 6 centimeter, 6 meter. It is given in the question. And this one is 5.5 meter. 5.5 meter means total is 11.5 and the total length is 19.5. 19.5 minus 11.5, then it is equal to 8 meter. Is it clear, beta? Now in this second figure we know both the parallel sides and the height. Now third figure, it is also a rectangle. In this we know the length and breadth. So now we have to find out the area of these three figures. Area of first figure, that is rectangle. We know the length and breadth of rectangle, that is 25 into 6. 25 into 6 is equal to 150 meter square. Now area of second figure, it is trapezium. Now what is the formula of trapezium? That is half into sum of parallel sides into height, as we have discussed in exercise 16.16a, and half into sum of parallel sides, that is 14 plus 10. Put the values into height is 8. Now solve it, cut it. 24 into 4, which is equal to 96 meter square. Now area of third figure. Third figure, it is also rectangle. Now the third one is 10 into 5.5, length into breadth, that is equal to 55 meter square. Means 10 into 55 upon 10, which is equal to 55 meter square. Now area of whole figure. Area of whole figure is equal to area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure, means 150 plus 96 plus 55, which is 20 meter, and this is 301 meter square. But look at fourth question. In this, how to find out the area? First we divide it. Divide it in any way. We have to divide it like this also, or we have to divide it horizontally also. Okay, it's your wish in how to divide it. Okay, then you have to find out the area of this figure. This question you do it by yourself. Okay, beta. Now look at fifth question. The fifth question is, a school crossing sign has the dimension as shown in the given figure. What is the area of the signboard? This is the signboard. We have to find out the area of this signboard. Again, we have to divide it like this. Two figures are formed. The one is rectangle, the other one is triangle. Now in triangle we have to find out the height. First we have to find out this height. How to find out? We know that this is 38 and this the whole height is 76. So 76 minus 38, we have to find out this height. Now find out the areas. The first one, rectangle, 76 multiplied by 38, and find out the area of this triangle, that is half into base into height. Base is 76 and height we have to find out. Okay, so you do this part by yourself. Now look at the B part of this question. If the four such signboards are cut from the rectangular metal sheet 350 cm long and 320 cm wide, means one rectangular board is here. Suppose this is rectangular board and four signboards are cut from this. These are the signboards. We have to find out four signboards are cut from this rectangle. Okay, we have to find now we have to find out what will be the area of the metal left over. मतलब कितना मेटल बचा इसमें, कितना मेटल बच गया. अगर इसका हमें दिया हुआ है कि एक रेक्टेंगुलर मेटल शीट का ये 350 मीटर है, लेंथ इसकी 350 सेंटीमीटर है और ब्रेड्थ इसकी कितनी है 320 सेंटीमीटर. ये हमें दिया हुआ है और 4 साइन बोर्ड इसमें से कट करने हैं. तो बाकी कितना मेटल बचा, तो आप क्या करोगे, पहले तो इसका एरिया निकाल लोगे. ठीक है, एरिया कैसे निकालोगे, पूरे रेक्टेंगुलर बोर्ड का एरिया निकाल लोगे. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर बोर्ड दैट इज इक्वल टू 350 इंटू 320. बेटा ये अपने आप सॉल्व कर लेना. 350 इंटू 320 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। और फिर आप एरिया ऑफ 4 साइन बोर्ड्स निकाल लोगे। 4 साइन बोर्ड, एरिया ऑफ 4 साइन बोर्ड का एरिया कैसे निकलेगा? 4 को जो एरिया आपका साइन बोर्ड का एरिया निकला था ऊपर क्वेश्चन में, वो यहाँ पे एरिया लिख के, ठीक है, फिर इन दोनों को क्या कर दोगे? माइनस कर दोगे। एरिया ऑफ मेटल लेफ्ट ओवर, मेटल लेफ्ट ओवर इज इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल माइनस एरिया ऑफ 4 साइन बोर्ड। ठीक है, तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल में से एरिया ऑफ 4 साइन बोर्ड माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास लेफ्ट एरिया आ जाएगा कि कितना एरिया, कितनी मेटल शीट हमारे पास बच गई है। ठीक है बेटा, अब ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने करने हैं। नाउ थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।